In this video, I'm replacing these older halogen bulbs with these newer LED bulbs on a GLC. Thanks to Rimtin for sending me these bulbs. These are H7 LED bulbs. Next to the front wheels, you have this access panel. Using a flat tip screwdriver sideways, I'm able to turn each of these little screws that are holding this in place. You'll see that the whole screw turns and gets out of the way to be able to pull this down. With a little bit of wiggling, this does come down. Then we can turn this cover counterclockwise. Reach in and pull the wire straight out. There are 3 brackets that hold down the light bulb, so you see I'm putting my screwdriver in between the first bracket and twisting to try to get the bulb out. And then the second bracket as well, trying to get underneath there to be able to pop the headlight out. And you see it popped out. I'm reaching in now and pulling out the bulb. Next bulb goes in. I'm going to put the wire back in place now, just in case the headlight falls out. Then it's at least attached by the wire. Take note of the brackets, make sure they're hugging the bulb, and then I'm pushing the brackets back together. Give it a final pull to make sure. Put the cover on and turn it clockwise. Put this cover back into place. Using the flat tip screwdriver sideways, turn these clockwise. And there you go. Man, these bulbs look a lot nicer.